Hello everyone, my name is Shamanawat and I welcome all of you once again in the series of number theory. We are in lecture number 4 and in today's lecture we are going to discuss indices. In surds, indices, power, square root, square, cube. That's what we are going to discuss in today's lecture. So let's see some of the properties here. I'm sure you must be comfortable and aware about these properties, but एक बार revision हो जाए और उसके बाद कुछ applications भी. So now the first rule what we say here is if the base are equal, a raised to m, a raised to n, if base are equal and they are in multiplication, if base are same and if they are in multiplication, okay, if they are in multiplication then power gets added, right? Power क्या हो जाएगा? Add हो जाएगा or powers get added, okay? Say you have 2 raised to 14 into 2 raised to 5. So what will be the simplified version of this? That will be 2 raised to 14 plus 5. 14 plus 5. So if base are equal for both, and in that case, and if they are in multiplication, then powers will be added. So ये हो जाएगा 2 raised to 19. Okay. If you have different base but same power, so you can do and then see these rule can go from left to right and right to left as well. Matlab, now I can give you an example. I can give you an example here. Let's say you have 2 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 4. That can be said as 2 into 3 whole raised to 4 or vice versa. If you have 5 into 7 raised to 10, I can say this as, if you remove the bracket, if you open the bracket, and because they are in multiplication, तो हम लोग क्या बोल सकते हैं? 5 raised to 10 into 7 raised to 10, ऐसा भी बोल सकते हैं. Okay? Can I also do this when the base are in addition? मतलब, can I also say a plus b raised to 10 as a raised to 10 plus b raised to 10? No, never. ऐसा हम नहीं बोल सकते. Okay? We can only say if they are in multiplication or division. अगर addition या subtraction में है, so we cannot simply remove bracket and put power in the individual terms. Okay? Keep this in mind. Right? So this rule is applicable when the base are in multiplication or the base are in division. Sorry, ये वाला base are in division. But if they are in addition and subtraction, then we cannot do this. Okay? क्या बोलने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं हम लोग? If they are in division, like a upon b whole raised to n, then I can say this. मैं इसको individual, ये जो whole power है, इसको मैं individual का power भी use कर सकता हूँ. This whole power can be used as the individual power as well. Okay? So a raised to n by b raised to n. Okay? What cannot happen? If I have a minus b whole raised to n, I cannot say this as a raised to n minus b raised to n. इसके लिए क्या होगा? इसके लिए फॉर्मूला अप्लाई होगा. फॉर्मूला का हमने कहाँ पढ़ा है? बेसिक्स ऑफ एल्जेब्रा में. डू यू रिमेंबर? लेट मी शो इट टू यू. ये बेसिक्स ऑफ एल्जेब्रा में हम लोगों ने फॉर्मूलेस डिस्कस किए हैं यहाँ पे. रिमेंबर? ओके. सो दिस इज व्हाट वी नीड टू फॉलो. Come back to number theory. By the way, basics of algebra is part of algebra. Okay, algebra का first topic हमने discuss किया. Yeah, in case if you have not gone through that, then go through that as well. Okay, चलिए. Now, next property is if base are equal and they are in division. So powers क्या हो जाएंगे? Subtract. Okay, if base are equal, base same है and they are in division, in that case powers get subtracted. Okay, powers के बीच में क्या relation बनेगा? Subtraction का. Now I can prove these properties as well, these rule as well, but इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है दोस्त. Okay, आप इस पे ध्यान दो, बहुत है. Understand, जहाँ भी ज़रूरत पड़ेगी detail explanation की या background के discussion की, I will do that. I promise you. If it is required from the exam point of view. जहाँ exam point of view से required नहीं है, let's not waste time there. Right? Okay. So here if I have say a 3 raised to 10 by 3 raised to 5, so ये कैसा हो जाएगा 3 raised to 10 minus 5. Got it? Okay. बस थोड़े और 2 3 या कुछ और. Yes, only 7 rules. Yeah. And rest other rules are derived from these rules. तो ये फाउंडेशन है, इस फाउंडेशन को हमें समझना अच्छे से. Now a raised to m raised to n. A raised to m and whole raised to n. In that case, if you have a raised to m bracket to the power n, in that case powers are multiplied. In that case powers are multiplied. Okay? इसके ऊपर अगर एक और पावर होता जैसे दिस ब्रैकेट p, तो ये भी मल्टीप्लाई हो जाता when you remove the bracket. ओके? ठीक है. अब एक चीज जो बता रहा हूं उसको ध्यान से समझना. एग्जाम्पल देख लो. इफ इट इज 3 raised to 2 raised to 3, तो दिस इज इक्वल टू 3 raised to 2 into 3. कितना होगा 3 raised to 6. ध्यान से समझना. If I have 3 raised to 2 raised to 3, do you have bracket here? Am I using bracket? Before the power हम लोगों ने ऐसा कुछ ब्रैकेट यूज किया क्या यहाँ पे? नहीं किया है. ओके, ब्रैकेट नहीं है. इसका मतलब ये होता है, इट मीन्स, व्हाट डज इट मीन? इट मीन्स you have 2 to the power 3. Okay. In this case, you simplify topmost power first. In this case, you simplify what? लिख लो इसको. In that case, you simplify about what? Topmost power first. Okay. Simplify what? Topmost power first. Okay. मतलब चलो पहले इसको सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं. मैं इसको और एक और एग्जांपल लेके फिर से बताता हूँ. I'll give you one more example of this. So first understand this. Now here, if it is 3 raised to 2 raised to 3, then we'll simplify the topmost power first. That means 2 raised to 3 को simplify करेंगे. How much is 2 raised to 3? 2 cube. 2 cube is 8, right? So this will become 3 raised to 8. Did you understand the difference? If you, when you had bracket, it was 3 raised to 6. Without bracket, it is 3 raised to 8. You simplify the topmost power first. Another example, say if I have 3 raised to 2 raised to 3 raised to 2, ऐसा है. Okay, no bracket here. In such case, again, keep this in mind. I hope you have noted this. Are you using pen and paper when you are watching these concept lectures? If not, then please go pause this video, pick up pen and paper, and then watch it. You have a lot of tips and important properties to note down. Okay, that will help you to revise the concepts. Yeah, revision में help करेगा ये. Okay, so if you don't have bracket, you simplify the topmost power first. मतलब सबसे पहले क्या होगा? 3 raised to 2 simplify होगा. So this will be 3 raised to 2 and then 3 raised to 2 simplify हुआ. कितना हुआ? This become 9. Now you will simplify what? 2 raised to 9. What is 2 raised to 9? बोलो. We have learned. I hope you have done homework. Homework. मैं क्या homework देता हूँ हमेशा? What is the homework which you have to do? Tables till 20, cubes till 10, squares till 25 and 2 to the power 1 से लेके 2 to the power 10 के values. Right? ये हमेशा याद रखना, ये करना ही करना है. Okay? So if you have done the homework, then you should know what is 2 raised to 9. 2 raised to 9 here will get you what? Will get you what? 512. Right? So what is, let me clear this up. So what is 3 raised to 2 raised to 3 raised to 2? That is nothing but 3 raised to 5 and 2. ध्यान रखना ये बात. Okay? Again, coming back to this rule, if you have bracket, then powers are multiplied. If you have power 0, कुछ भी value होने दो. If the power is 0, it means 1. कुछ भी होने दो. If power is 0, it means 1. Okay? Next rule. A upon b raised to minus n. A upon b raised to minus n is equal to b upon a raised to n. यहाँ पे समझो, if you have negative power, a upon b raised to minus n, if you have negative power, So to make power, to convert power into positive, to make it positive, to make power positive, you reciprocate, get the base get what? Inverted, reciprocal. Okay, so instead of A upon B, it will become what? B upon A. So base becomes reciprocal. Okay, base get invert. Okay, invert हो जाएगा. मतलब if you have 1 upon A raised to minus n, raised to what? Minus m. So that can be written as A raised to positive n. So to make power positive, you invert the base. You reciprocate the base. Okay? याद रहेगा? Okay? So how do you convert any negative power into positive? Reciprocate the base. Example देखें. Suppose if I have 1 upon 81 raised to minus 4. 1 upon 81 raised to minus 4. Okay, so what will happen here? 1 upon 81 will become 81 upon 1. और power क्या हो जाएगा? Instead of minus 4, now it will become 4. Okay? I hope you understood. एक और देखो. Same. What if it is 1 upon 81 raised to minus 1 upon 4? अब क्या होगा? Then this will become what? 81 to the power plus 1 upon 4. Simply, can we simplify this further? Yes. I can say 81 is nothing but 3 raised to 4. Power is what? 1 upon 4. Bracket लगा हुआ है. So if I remove the bracket, then powers are multiplied. They are multiplied. So ये कितना हो जाएगा? 3 raised to 1. Got it? Okay, this reminds me to one more property of indices. Let me see. We have it. मतलब इसको हम लोग यूज करें क्या? ये नीचे आ गया, इसको ऊपर ले जाते हैं वापस से. बेचारा नीचे क्यों आ गया ये? ओके. हाँ. Now look at this. One more property of square root. Square root sign. The root sign. Okay. Nth root of A can be written as A raised to 1 upon n. Very important. Many times we are going to use it many times. Nth root of A can be written as A to the power 1 upon n. 10th root of 2 can be written as 2 raised to 1 upon 10. 10th root of 2 can be written as 2 to the power 1 upon 10. याद रहेगा? Great. Okay. Now let's see. We have some examples. आपके लिए examples है. So whatever properties we have learned, let's see if we are able to apply those properties or not. Okay. If you want to try it by yourself, pause this video and then attempt this question first and then match the answer. Now here it says 1 upon 16 minus, तो एक एक करके simplify करते हैं हम लोग. Okay, I'll do it step by step for you, but try not using all the steps because you know you are answering one exam which has no step marking, right? So here this 1 upon 16 to the power minus 3 upon 4, I'm just writing the question again. Okay, so this step is not needed. I'm just writing the question again. Okay, just to look it little more sophisticated. Yeah, that's the question. Now, you know, if power is negative and if I want to make it positive, then the base gets inverted, right? The base gets inverted. So 1 upon 16 will become 16 upon 1 to the power. Now, base gets inverted. Invert ho gaya. So instead of negative power, we'll use what? Positive power, 3 by 4. Okay. Can we do the same for 1 upon 27 and 1 upon 32 as well? Yes. So 1 upon 27 will become 27 raised to 2 by 3. Okay. And 32, this will become 32 raised to 1 upon 15. Now, we know that. हम लोगों ने 2 का पावर तो याद किया है, 3 का पावर थोड़ा बहुत हमें आता है ना? So, can I write this 16 as 2 raised to 4? 16 is 2 raised to 4, right? And if I remove the bracket, then powers are multiplied, right? थोड़ा सा और अच्छे से लिख देता हूँ, 4 इंटू 3/4। देखो ये 4 से ये 4 आपका कैंसिल हो रहा है, यस, माइनस 27, can I write 27 as 3 raised to 3? Correct? Now if I remove the bracket, then the powers are multiplied. Are you getting this? So here again you can cancel 3 and 3. Next is 32. Can I write 32 as 2 to the power 5? Yes. And if I remove the bracket, I have powers multiplied. So here I can cancel 5 and 5. So what do we get? What do we get here? I get 2 raised to 3, which is 2 cube. 2 cube कितना होता है बोलो? 8. Now 3 square, so minus 3 square. 3 square कितना होता है बोलो? 9 and 2 as it is. Can you simplify this? Yeah. So 8 minus 9 is minus 1. Minus 1 minus 2 will get you what? Minus 3. So answer क्या आ जाएगा आपका? Minus 3. Yes. I hope you also got the same answer. Yeah. Let's take one more example. Let's solve one more example. Yes. Okay. The fourth root of 0.81. Okay. So fourth root निकालना है आपको, fourth root. So it look like this. Fourth root of 0. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. अच्छा, 8. So including 81, there are 8 digits after decimal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now here, can I remove the decimal and have 1 with the zeros in denominator? You know how to remove decimal, right? If you remove decimal, you have 1 here in the denominator, and then you keep on writing zeros as many digits are there after decimal in the numerator. As many digits are there after decimal in this decimal number. So here, we know how many digits are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. तो 8 digits है तो 1 के बाद कितने जीरो लग जाएंगे? 8. 3 लग गए यहाँ पे, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this will become what? 4th root of. So now हमने क्या property देखा है? This nth root of a number can be written as number raised to 1 upon n. Correct? So here, can I say this is nothing but 81 raised to 1 upon 4 divided by ये क्या है? 1 with 8 zeros. So can I write 1 with 8 zeros as 10 raised to 8? Yeah. And this, चलो ऐसा करते हैं 1/4 को अभी फिलहाल पूरे का पावर लिखते हैं. Is this fine with you? Yeah. I hope this is clear. Like 10, 100 अगर है तो 100 को हम लोग क्या बोल सकते हैं? 10 square. अगर 1000 है तो हम लोग क्या बोल सकते हैं? 10 raised to 3. So similarly, if I have 1 with 8 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I can write this as 10 raised to 8. Correct? So that's what you get. Now you simplify further. Can we simplify 81 and write this as 3 raised to 4? चलेगा? Okay. I'm telling you again, there is no step marking. You can skip the step if you want. Huh? Better होगा if you, it's better if you practice with skipping the steps. It's better if you practice with skipping the steps. Now don't ask me whether will this question come in the exam. ऐसा नहीं है. Okay. Indices, this number theory is most of the part we should know, like general knowledge about point. Yeah. You may not get exactly the same question, but there are a lot of places, there are a lot of other questions, other concepts in which you may use this indices property. Okay. So understanding indices is very important. Now, if I remove the bracket from here, I'll get 3 raised to 4 powers are multiplied, right? Powers are multiplied. So this will become what? 3, and this 10 raised to 8, ये कितना हो जाएगा? 2. So 10 square. कितना बचा? 3/100. 3/100 को हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं? 0.03 ऐसा लिख सकते हैं. 0.03. Do we have this? Yes, we have it. right? Interesting, right? Okay, so this is fourth root of a given number. Let's solve one more example. Yes, let's solve this example. I want you to pause this video, note down the question, and then try solving it by yourself first. Okay? चलो देखते हैं आंसर क्या है. Let's simplify this. So you have n raised to a by so n raised to a upon n raised to b ऐसा दिया हुआ है. Now क्या can I remove some steps? Can I skip some steps? Can I skip some steps here? We are in example number 3 and we have also learned the properties very well. So is it fine if I skip some steps? I'll explain you what am I doing here. But is that fine? Okay. So here n raised to a by n raised to b. If base are same and they are in division, so powers are subtracted, right? So क्या मैं इसको इस ब्रैकेट को ऐसा लिख सकता हूँ? This is nothing but n raised to a minus b. चलेगा? चलेगा? एंड यहाँ पे बाकी का बचा है, तो दिस इज a प्लस b माइनस c. This is multiplied by again n raised to b upon c, n raised to b by n raised to c. So can I say this is again powers are subtracted? Then you have what? B plus c minus a. Next is what? N raised to c by n raised to a. Powers are same, sorry, base are same and they are in division, so powers are subtractive. So n raised to c minus a. अब क्या बचा? This is same as c plus a minus b. Now, do you see here? Powers are, sorry, base are same again and they are in multiplication. What does it mean? Powers will be added. Powers को add करने से पहले हम लोग क्या करते हैं? Let's simplify these powers. ये थोड़ा it looks a little bigger, right? So let's simplify these powers. So if I simplify a minus b into a plus b minus c, simplify करो, क्या हो जाएगा? Multiply a with the entire bracket. You have a square plus ab minus ac, right? Now multiply b with the entire bracket, then you get what? Minus of ab minus b square and plus bc, right? Now, can we see here, do you see here AB and AB is being cancelled, right? So what you are left with, only A square minus B square minus AC plus BC, right? Is that okay? Yeah, what are we doing? We are just trying to simplify this bracket, open the bracket and then simplify that, okay? Similarly, I'll take the next power as well, which is b minus c, b plus c minus a. Now let's try multiplying this bracket. So here you have b into, so here b square plus bc minus ab, and then minus c multiply there, minus bc minus c square plus ca. Okay. Now again you can see here plus bc minus bc is cancelled. So what you get in this case? B square minus c square minus ab plus ca. If you follow this properly, ये sequence आपका next bracket के open में भी same होना. If you follow this properly, तो ये next bracket का जब multiply करोगे, which is c minus a, let me write this properly, c minus a, and then you have c plus a minus b there. तो ये pattern follow होता हुआ दिखेगा. If you open this, then you should get the end result as c square minus a square minus, here you have a b, b a. So here it will be c B. This will be CB या BC बोल सकते हैं इसको. Okay, and then here you have AC here. So C with A. So here you will have um, A with B. So this will be plus AB. ऐसा बनना चाहिए. आप open करके देखना. Are you getting the same result? Well, we are not done yet. Now, because the powers base are same, so powers are added. So ये जितनी powers को हमने simplify किया है, it should be added because base are in multiplication. So if you add this, then what you get here, if you add this one, and this one, if you add this, what you get, plus a square minus a square will be cancelled, minus b square plus b square will be cancelled, minus c square plus c square is cancelled, and you can also see minus ac and plus AC. आप AC बोलो या CA बोलो, it's one of the same thing, right? Then you also see plus BC and minus BC cancel. Plus AB minus AB cancel. So everything is cancelled. So what are you left with if you add all of them? Is 0. What does it mean? It means that if you multiply the terms, basically, when you add the powers, right? Because base are equal, then when you add the powers, it should get you power as 0. So anything power 0 should end up with what? 1. Correct? Okay, I hope you understood this. If not, just rewind and check once again. Simple है वैसे. हमने आपको अगर challenge आएगा तो you will face challenge only in opening the bracket. Even if you have challenge, you will have challenge here. You will not have challenge in applying the indices property. Right? Okay. Let's take one more example. Now here we have again base are same, base सबका same है. First term has base same, they are in division. So if you simplify this, can I write it directly as n raised to a minus b? Powers are subtracted if base are same. Yeah, and multiply by पूरे bracket का power फिर से कितना है? 1 upon a into b. So if I remove that bracket, that means powers are multiplied. So into d. Now here also I suggest you to simplify the powers separately so that you don't make खिचड़ी of all. Okay. Now here n raised to b by n raised to c. तो क्या हो जाएगा ये? b minus c. And then what you have is divided by bc. Next, n raised to again powers are subtracted, ca and divided by what? ca. Yeah, multiplied by 1 upon ca. It's same as divided by ca, right? Okay. Now let me simplify the powers. Powers को simplify करो. Because base are same and they are in multiplication, so powers are added. Powers are added. तो powers add करेंगे. अब देखो कैसे add करेंगे. So first power I have is a minus b upon ab. The second one I have is b minus c upon bc. The third one I have is c minus a upon ca. Now, if I split these terms, इनको अगर मैं split करके लिखूँ, तो can I write this as a upon AB minus B upon AB plus B upon BC plus, sorry, minus C upon BC plus C upon CA minus A upon CA, ऐसा हो जाएगा, right? Now, further simplify, can you take off this? Yes. Yeah, cancel कर सकते हैं. What is the result here? After cancellation, you get 1 upon B minus 1 upon A plus 1 upon C minus 1 upon B plus 1 upon A minus 1 upon C, right? Do you see again positive negative is being cancelled? यहाँ पे everything is being cancelled. What is the end result? End result is 0. मतलब powers को अगर add करोगे, you are getting end result is 0. And you have to add the powers because base are equal and they are in multiplication, right? So this should get you n raised to 0, which is nothing but equal to 1, right? अब ऐसा अज्यूम मत कर लेना कि whenever you have n और कुछ पावर तो आपको हमेशा पावर 0 मिलेगा. नॉट नेसेसरी, ओके? ऐसा अज्यूम नहीं करना. Okay, let's solve next example. I have 10 examples here. सॉल्व करते हैं सबको एक एक करके. हमारा गोल क्या है? गोल इज टू लर्न दिस. गोल इज टू लर्न हाउ टू अप्लाई द रूल्स ऑफ इंडाइसेस. ओके, तो करते चलो करते चलो. ओके, अभी ये मत सोचो कि एग्जाम में ऐसा ही क्वेश्चन आएगा कि नहीं आएगा. एग्जाम में ऐसा क्वेश्चन नहीं आएगा, मैं बता रहा हूँ नहीं आएगा. ओके, बट it is very useful. It is very useful. So please learn applying the rules of indices. Very important. Okay, मैं ऐसा बोलता हूँ. इसके बेसिस पे इस टाइप का जो इंडाइसेस का रूल हम लोग यहाँ अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, यू विल यूज इट अ लॉट इन लोगारिथम. सो लोगारिथम को समझने के लिए इंडाइसेस समझना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. अब देखो, अब सब आप लोग समझोगे इसको, है ना, समझोगे. अब तो आपको मजबूरी में ही समझोगे, पर समझोगे. सो दैट्स गुड. यू शुड लर्न. दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट. Important to learn to apply in other chapters. So indices is important. Huh? Okay, find n if ऐसा ऐसा. So now you know 64 is if we. हाँ, ये भी एक प्रॉपर्टी मुझे बताना चाहिए. अगर आपको ऐसा कुछ मिलता है a raised to p equal to a raised to q. If base are equal, then powers has to be equal. Powers have to be equal. Powers have to be equal. और vice versa. Vice versa क्या? If p raised to a is equal to q raised to a. If powers are equal, then bases have to be equal. ये भी equal होना चाहिए. इस चीज का ध्यान रखना. ओके, ये भी एक important property है. Yeah. Now I'm going to use this property over here. Now here, if I want to find out the value of n, I need to make the base equal. So 64 raised to 3. क्या 64 को मैं ऐसा बोल सकता हूँ? 64 is nothing but 8 square. Yes. So I have 64 which is 8 square to the power 3. Okay, 64 to the power 3 है ना? तो 8 square to the power 3 equal to 8 is to n. Now if I remove the bracket, so powers are multiplied. So ये कितना हो जाएगा? 2 3 6. यहाँ पे कितना बचा? n. तो बोलो, if base are equal, then powers in such case should be equal, must be equal. So n equal to कितना है? 6. Easy है? चलो चलते चलो चलते चलो चलते सब इजी है यार. आप, आई नो ऑल माई स्टूडेंट्स आर इंटेलिजेंट. आई नो यू आर केपेबल ऑफ सॉल्विंग. ये तो बहुत इजी है. आप इससे ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर सकते हो. पर फिलहाल इससे काम चला. आगे चलते हैं. सो हियर 125 रेस टू 2/3 किससे इक्वेट करना है? 5 रेस टू n. एक बात बताओ, कैन आई से दिस 125 इज नथिंग बट 5 क्यूब? बोल सकता हूँ. पावर 2/3. कितना बचा? n. तो क्या हो जाएगा? सिंप्लीफाई करो. पावर्स आर मल्टीप्लाइड इफ यू रिमूव द ब्रैकेट. ओके, इक्वल टू 5 रेस टू n. सो ये 3 3 कैंसिल हुआ. सो ये कितना हुआ? 5 रेस टू 2 इक्वल टू 5 रेस टू n. सो टेल मी व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ n? ऑफ कोर्स दैट्स इक्वल टू 2. ओके, let's see next. Here 27 raised to 2/3, 9 raised to 1/2 and by 3. So can I say this as 27 raised to, let me write this question once again for you, by 3 ऐसा. So here this 27, can I write 27 as 3 cube? चलेगा? पावर कितना है? Can I write 9 as 3 square? चलेगा? और कितना है? 1/2. 3 as it is. चलेगा? ओके, आई कैन सिंप्लीफाई दिस इवन बाय यूजिंग शॉर्टकट्स, बट अभी मैं वो नहीं समझा रहा हूँ. आई एम नॉट यूजिंग एनी शॉर्टकट हियर बिकॉज हम लोग बेसिक्स पढ़ रहे हैं. वी आर मेकिंग आवर फाउंडेशन स्ट्रॉन्ग, राइट? सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम यूजिंग दिस easy simple methods. Now if I remove the bracket, powers are multiplied. So this is 3 to the power 3 into 2/3 multiplied by 3 to the power 2 into 1/2 by 3. अब ये कितना हो गया? 3 3 कैंसिल, 2 2 कैंसिल. तो बोलो कितना मिल जाएगा? ये बचेगा 3 स्क्वायर ये इंटू 3. 3 स्क्वायर इंटू 3 बाय 3. ये कैंसिल कर दो. तो कितना बचा? 3 स्क्वायर विच इज नथिंग बट 9. ओके, चलते चलो और एग्जांपल देखते हैं. लेट्स ट्राई दिस आउट. ओके, इफ यू वांट टू ट्राई इट बाय योरसेल्फ, इट डोंट वेट फॉर मी टू टेल यू दिस. इफ यू वांट टू ट्राई any question by yourself which we have solved, which I am going to solve, pause the video first, you try it by yourself. खुद से करो पहले, तभी समझ में आएगा कि whether you are able to apply those properties or not. Yeah, that's the magic of self study. सेल्फ स्टडी करने का एक अलग ही मजा है. मजा छोड़े तो आपको कंपल्शन नहीं है. Without you studying by yourself, how will you go and crack the exam? You should be able to apply by yourself, right? I'm not going to answer exam for you. Nobody is going to answer exam for you, right? So you should know this. You should be able to apply by yourself. All right, chalo. 16 raised to 3 by 2. Shall I write the question again? जरूरत तो नहीं है ना? Okay, so 16 raised to 3 by 2, 3 by 4. So can I write 16 as 2 raised to 4? चलेगा? और 16 का power 3 by 4, I'll write as it is here. Multiply by 8 is to 2 by 3. So can I write 8 is nothing but 2 cube? चलेगा? Power कितना है? 2 by 3. Okay, the whole divided by 2. That's the question. Now, here if we remove the bracket, powers are multiplied. Powers are multiplied, right? Powers are multiplied. Correct? Okay. Now, 4, 4, 4. Cancel, 3, 3. Cancel. I have 2 cube and 2 square. 2 cube and 2 square. अभी आप कैसे सिंप्लीफाई करना ये आपके ऊपर है. मैं इसको ऐसे सिंप्लीफाई, आप चाहो तो 2 raised to 1 को सब्सट्रैक्शन में भी ले जा सकते हो. दैट्स टोटली ऑन. So 8 2s are 16 is your answer. Right? Okay. Yes. Next example. Again, pause the video, try it by yourself. Let's solve this together. So here 81, I can say this 81 raised to 3 by 4. So can I write 81 as 3 raised to 4? चलेगा. एक step हमने remove कर लिया. Not to write the question again. Power 3 by 4. 32 is 2 raised to 5. Power 2 by 5. And the whole value divided by what? 3 into 2. We'll handle that. If we remove the bracket, what you get here? You get 3 raised to 4 into 3 by 4, 2 raised to 5 into 2 by 5, and 3 into 2. Here you have 4, 4 cancel, 5, 5 cancel. What do you get? You get 3 cube 2 raised to 2. ओके, अभी चाहिए तो आप इसको ऐसे लिख लो. अगर कैंसिल कर सकते हो तो nothing better than that. If not, I can write it like this and say if base are same, they are in division, then powers are subtracted. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Here 2 minus 1 is 1. So answer is what? 3 square into 2. 3 square कितना होगा? 9. 2 raised to 1 कितना होगा? 2. 9 2 का कितना होगा? 18. That's your answer. Easier? Easier? Easier. Yes. Let's try one more. थक गए क्या? थको मत यार. थको मत, थको मत. I appreciate, I truly appreciate all of you who are being consistent and who are, focusing for this long. I know, लेक्चर थोड़ा लंबा बन गया, बट क्या करें यार, एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व नहीं करेंगे तो मज़ा नहीं आएगा, राइट? ओके, let's simplify this. We need to equate this with 2 raised to n. So we need to convert everything into base 2. So here 32 raised to this. So here 32 raised to 3 by 5. Can I write 32 as 2 raised to 5? चलेगा. Power क्या है उसके? 3 by 5. Multiply by 16 raised to 1 by 4. So can I write this as 2 raised to 1 by 4? Sorry. 16 को हम लोग power 4 लिख सकते हैं. 2 raised to 4. And this power 1 by 4 is already there, equal to 2 raised squared. Now, if you open the bracket, here powers are multiplied. 5 into 3 by 5, 5, 5 cancel. 2 raised to 4 into 1 by 4, 4, 4 cancel. Right? 2 cube कितना हो जाएगा? 8. ये 2. अच्छा चलो ऐसा नहीं करते, इसको 2 cube ही रहने देते, because we need to keep base as 2 to equate the power. Sorry, to equate the base so that we can equate the power. Okay, now this is multiplied, base are same, powers are added. So 3 plus 1 is how much? 4, equal to 2 raised to n. So what is n ka value? N ka value is nothing but 4. Right? Okay, how was it? How was it? Tell me if you want any more variations in here, you can write in the comment or you can reach out to me. If you are watching this on YouTube, write in the comment. If you are watching this as part of my course, because in my course, I am giving concept lectures along with the practice questions. So if you're watching this as part of course, then you already have my Discord ID, right? So you can connect with me directly. So this is it in today's lecture. My name is Shyam Manav signing off. I will see you in the next lecture. Stay there, stay tuned. Stay there मतलब ब्रेक ले सकते हो, कल फिर से स्टार्ट कर सकते हो या थोड़ी देर बाद फिर से स्टार्ट कर सकते हो. I will see you in the next lecture. In next lecture, we are going to discuss unit digits. This is what we are going to discuss in the next lecture, right? Okay, till then, stay happy, stay healthy, and keep learning. Bye bye.